Hello everyone, my name is Aanchal and welcome to my channel It All Begins at Home. In today's video, I'll be showing you some common pencil grip problems in children and how to overcome that problem by holding the pencil correctly. And at the end of the video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help your child to have a good pencil control. So, most importantly, for a child to have a good pencil control, he should have a strong hand muscles and a good pincer grasp. I have already shared a video with lots of activities to improve your child pencil grasp and a video on fine motor skills to strengthen those little hand muscles. So if you have missed watching them, I'll link that below in the description box. Now before moving on, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to It All Begins at Home and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. So when your child is 3.5 or 4 years old, you can teach him how to hold the pencil. But before that age, like when your child is just 1 or 2 years old, at that age, let them hold the pencil how they are comfortable. So let's get started. Let me show you some common grip problems you may see in your child. You may see your child holding a pencil like this with a thumb wrapped around this index finger. Some kids used to write this way. Some kids use their all fingers to grip the pencil. Some kids holds the pencil like pointing straight up in the air. So these are all common grip problems which you may see in your child, and you should try to change these bad habits of holding the pencil, as these may give your child joint pains in hand, or these grip can make the writing inefficient. So now let me show you the correct way to hold the pencil and how to overcome these problems in your child. So the best way to hold the pencil is it's a tripod grip. Now what's a tripod grip is? So tripod grip is a writing grip to hold the pencil where thumb, index finger and middle finger move when you write. And this ring finger and pinky finger, these two fingers generally are closed and rest on the table during writing. So here you hold the pencil with the thumb and index finger, and pencil should rest on this third finger. So now for demonstrating it to your child, you can ask your child to keep these two fingers away, leaving these three up, and then ask your child to make an alligator mouth or a raindrop, and you can show like the alligator is very hungry and is looking for a pencil to eat. Then put the pencil between the mouth like this, and with time and practice you show them to slide down the third finger where the pencil should rest like this. So this is how your child should hold the pencil. And most importantly, you should teach them to hold the pencil from where the paint starts, not way too up nor too down, so that they have a good pencil control. And when you are teaching them to hold the pencil, you should also teach them how to sit properly and rest the hand on the table, because sometimes child's posture causes child to struggle with handwriting. So this is how you can teach your child to hold the pencil in a correct way. Now, the last part of the video, let me share some tips and tricks for a good pencil control. Try giving your child smaller pencil or crayons so that it's easier for them to hold the pencil. And second point is, these round pencils are hard to hold for a child. So you can try giving them triangular pencils. It will be easier for them to hold as they already have a tripod shape. So I'll link that below in the description box. Now number third is, if your child is having trouble in keeping these two fingers away, you can make use of tissue paper to hold these two fingers intact. So what you have to do is, you have to place a crumbled tissue between your child's palm and last two fingers and have them hold it there. It helps keep those extra fingers away as they write. Now the fourth and the last trick is, if your child is still having lot of trouble to hold the pencil, then you can use pencil grip. Now what is pencil grip? So these grips forces a child to hold the pencil correctly. You can stick those grips in the pencil and child has to insert her finger into it and hold the pencil. So these grips forces a child to hold the pencil in a tripod way. I will link these pencil grips in the description box. You may have to try a few to see what works best for your child. I hope you guys liked this video and got some idea on how to teach your child to hold the pencil correctly with a strong grip strength. If so, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. And also do follow me on Instagram. I have linked my ID below in the description box. Thanks for watching and staying till the end of the video. Thank you.